going to show you how to use Jeopardy Labs. I've never used it before, but I have a lesson where students are relearning their suffixes and some prefixes, but most of the suffixes for the lesson for the week, as well as pronouns. And I'm also throwing in there some homophones and homographs, but I mostly want it to be an activity where students can review the things that we've been going over. So what you do is you go to jeopardylabs.com. I just Googled Jeopardy Labs and it was the first thing that came up. It will have something sort of like this. Let me see if I can show you here. So I just went to Google, typed in Jeopardy game. It was the first thing that popped up. Then I clicked create a Jeopardy game. So you click on that. You create a password and then it will bring you, and it doesn't have you like sign up for anything. Like you can if you want to, you pay $20, but you can do this totally free. So you just put in a password so that you can go back later and continue to work on things. So what I've done is it will give you something that looks like this, enter category name, and you click on it. You can type in the name. Then each point or points, you can click on it and you can add a question prompt. So we're working on, and you can, and if you don't want to save, you can just hit escape. Noun or a verb. So I want the student to decide if it's a noun or a verb. So I'm going to put cat. And so they'll look at that and go, okay, is that a noun or a verb? And so the correct response is, of course, noun. So then I click continue and it shows up there. Then I can do it again, and you basically repeat the process. When you're all done, you hit save and finish. And it should save and finish. So you can have 3 teams, and it embeds it like you can go ahead and just click on it to start, and then it pulls up something like this, and then you can play it just like Jeopardy, which I think is super cool. So you can say suffixes for 100, and it clicks on it, pulls it up. The suffix ion means what? And then in order to play it, you hit the space bar, and it tells you what it is. And then it'll give, you can click on it and give a point. So I'm going to reward 100 points, team 1. And then you're going to hit escape to continue. So it's super easy. I've seen teachers use it before. I've never used it, but I'm very excited to use it for my classroom. I believe that you can go back in there and you can edit if you want to. You can mark it up, that sort of thing. So super great program. Highly recommended. I will definitely be using it in my classroom, but I hope this helped.